Perlite sand by fine grinding and ultrafine grinding can be used for rubber and plastic products, pigments, paints, ink, synthetic glass, heat insulation bakelite, and some mechanical components and equipment as filling material. Perlite ball press. Hydraulic control system. Hydraulic system is one of the main parts of the ball press, mainly to ensure the forming pressure and overload protection. Among them, the basic circuit is composed of solenoid valve, hydraulic cylinder, pipeline, speed control valve, cylinder, and other hydraulic system. Solenoid valve controls the on-off of the pressure liquid and the reversing of the actuator. The cylinder is the basic part of the actuator to bear the load, output power and torque. The perlite ball press speed regulating valve is used to adjust the running speed of the hydraulic cylinder to meet the requirements of different speed of the load.